Are you tired of feeling like a weakling every time you struggle to open a jar of pickles? You want to have that grip so strong that you can crush an apple with just 2 fingers? Look no further than the FLYFE Grip Strength Trainer, the ultimate tool for building hand strength. This compact and portable device is a perfect companion for anyone looking to level up their grip game. Made of durable materials, it provides the ideal amount of resistance to give your fingers and forearms a thorough workout. With adjustable resistance levels and an automatic counter, you can tailor your workout to suit your fitness levels and goals. And the best part? The Grip Strength Trainer isn't just for bodybuilders and weightlifters. It's for anyone looking to improve their grip strength, from office workers to rock climbers to ninja warriors. With regular use, you'll notice a huge improvement in your grip strength, finger dexterity, and overall hand health. Let's see what's inside. Here you see I got my pair of strength grips. You can see that it's pretty easy to use, and there is the counter at the bottom. Now you can also reset that counter with the knob at the bottom, reset it back to 0, and you can start clicking again for your counter duration. Here we also got a knob here for the level of poundage resistance that you can put on the strength gripper, so you can turn it to the desirable selection. The Grip Strength Trainer is a versatile tool that can be used for a variety of exercises, from finger curls to wrist curls to squeezing. And its small portable size means you can take it with you wherever you go, so you can sneak a grip workout anytime, anywhere. So why settle for whippy hands when you could have a grip like a vice? Get your hands on the FLYFE Grip Strength Trainer today and start crushing everything in your path.